Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's Syed Sani Asnain with Sani's Online Academy of National and International Languages. So today is our lesson number 2, episode number 2 of Exustive French course. So today in this lesson I will teach you numbers from 1 to 100 in French. So before the starting of this lesson, I want to tell you that you have to be very careful about the pronunciation. So listen the pronunciations very carefully. That's the way you will be genius in French. So let's get started. Number 1, un. Number 2, deux. Number 3, trois. Number 4, quatre. Number 5, cinq. Number 6, six. Number 7, sept. Number 8, huit. Number 9, neuf. Number 10, 10. Number 11, 11. Number 12, 12. Number 13, 13. Number 14, 14. Number 15, 15. Number 16, 16. Number 17, 17. Number 18, 18. Number 19, 19. Number 20, 20. Number 21, 21. 22, 22. 23, 23. 24, 24. 25, 25. 26, 26. 27, 27. 28, 28. 29, 29. Number 30, 30. 30. Number 31, 31. Number 32, 32. Number 33, 33. Number 34, 34. Number 35, 35. Number 36, 36. Number 37, 37. Number 38, 38. Number 39, 39. Number 40, 40. Number 41, 41. Number 42, 42. Number 43, 43. Number 44, 44. Number 45, 45. Number 46, 46. Number 47, 47. Number 48, 48. Number 49, 49. Number 50, 50. Number 51, 50 et un. Number 52, 52. Number 53, 53. Number 54, 54. Number 55, 55. Number 56, 56. 57, 57. 58, 58. 59, 59. 60, 60. Number 61, 61. 62, 62. 63, 63. 64, 64. 65, 65. 66, 66. 67, 67. 68, 68. 69, 69. 70, 70. 71, 71. 72, 72. 73, 73. 74, 74. 75 75 76 76 77 78 78 79 79 80 80 81 81 82 82 83 83 84 84 85 85 86 86 87 87 88 88 89 89 90 90 91 91 92 92 93 93 94 94 95 95 96 96 97 97 98 98 99 99 100 cent, and one from me for you 1000 mille. So finally we have completed our French numbers from 1 to 100. We will meet soon in my next video in the next lesson. Stay tuned, stay connected. Bye.